How would you like me to share a $30,000 secret with you that earned me over $30,000 in a short period of time? Well, stay tuned in this video and I'll show you what this is. It's a brand new company called Digital Wealth Pros, and it even earned me number 3 in the company. And I'm also going to show you all the things inside the membership area. And by staying tuned in this video, I'm also going to show you some of my custom bonuses you're going to receive if you join today. And you're going to be joining with one of my top business partners, Bob. So let's hop on over to the membership area right now, and I'll show you inside. Okay, we're going to log into the back office of Digital Wealth Pros, also known as DWP. So when you ever hear that reference as DWP, that refers to Digital Wealth Pros. All right, let's log into the back office here. Now, when you log into your back office, it's going to look just like this. And I really like how clean and simple this is, easy to navigate. You'll see easy navigation links on the left, and then to the right, you're going to see capture pages and a sell site page. And also what's unique is you have, of course, nice analytics. You can see page visits, form submissions right here. Very, very unique membership area and dashboard. Now, capture pages 1 through 4, okay, are available. My favorite capture page, the one that converts the best for me, is capture page number 3. It's got the beach background. Capture page number 4 is my second favorite. It's got the money background. So let's go ahead. We're going to go to capture page number 3. Now, when I opt into it, it's going to go to the sales site page, which you're going to learn more about it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to go ahead and pull up capture page number 3. You can see it's got really nice blue and orange font here, but earn $200 to $400 or even $800 plus per day on autopilot. You'll be clicking the link in the video description to opt into the video, which is going to see coming up here. Okay, that's going to take you to the sales site page, okay, which looks just like this. This is a video you're going to want to watch by clicking the link below in the description, and that's a 7-minute video. Okay, now when you click show me more, it's got a whole bunch of more information. You can scroll down and read it, okay, to learn more about Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, now I am blurring out some of this information here because you won't be joining with me. You'll be joining with one of my top business partners. Okay, so anytime you see a blur, it's just because I'm covering my info or client's information. Okay, so you can click here. You can also go all the way down to the bottom here. You'll have a sponsor ID number 2, and your name and your email address. So the site that you're going to be seeing, you're going to see your sponsor's ID and information. Now, when you click call our call center support team, it's going to reference the ID, the sponsor ID number, the person you're going to be joining with, and of course the 800 number, which is 232-2109. Okay, very good call center that takes all your calls, and that's the one you're going to want to call too. 1-800-232-2109 and reference the sponsor ID number. Okay, all right. So let's get started here. Learn more about the membership area. The first thing you want to do when you jump on board is click getting started. Okay, I recommend changing your passcode, so you can click the video on the bottom left. That'll tell you how to do it. There is a drop-down menu here, which you can click, okay, and you can manage your profile, okay, you can manage payments. That's how you want to get paid. You put your payment information, you know, whether it's Zelle, Cash App, Stripe, Venmo, PayPal. But change your passcode right away because you're going to get a temporary passcode when you register, okay, when pay the admin fee. Go in, log in, pay your admin fee, and then you're going to want to change your passcode and write it down. Make sure you write it down so you know what it is, something you'll remember. Okay. Top earners, I'm not going to click that one here. You can go there and see the top earners when you get there. Okay. I made over $30,000 in this system. I am on there. Now, system messages. That's a way for the company, okay, to get back to you with any alerts and messages. Now, they could email you too, but there's going to be updates when you log in. Okay. Really cool. CRM manager, customer relation manager. Now I have it pre-selected for Digital Wealth Pros because Digital Wealth Pros will when they opt into the forum, they'll actually do follow-ups with them with emails. Okay, so they do a pretty good job with that. But let's say that you want to get the opt-in inside your Aweber over here, you get response or MailChimp. You're going to select the appropriate autoresponder, and then you're going to actually get a field, okay, when you go to your field here and you update that and you select the radio button next to the autoresponder, that field is going to ask you for a list ID number. So you want to contact Aweber, get response from MailChimp if you have any confusion with that list ID number. So every list name that you have with that autoresponder, it will have a different unique list ID number. And you're going to put it there, save it, and that means when they opt into the capture forms of Digital Wealth Pros, the lead will come to you. Okay? Now, I'll show you a quick and easy way to get follow-ups written, because Digital Wealth Pros has their own follow-up series that you can copy and paste right in there. Okay? All right, so also you have the lead sections. It's really cool. I have it blocked out so you can't see, okay, for all the clients I have. You also have your membership. I have pages and pages of members, okay, over 65 people that have joined with me. Very exciting. And what you're going to see is on this avatar that's green, it's going to be yellow if they haven't paid yet. Just after they go ahead and, oh, there's another person here that's getting ready to pay, okay? So what's going to happen is they're actually going to be, you're going to turn it to green. So let me go ahead and click this here, okay? So when they paid you, now it's after they pay the admin fee, they'll show up as yellow, okay? When they pay you, okay, you're going to go ahead and click yes, I received payment. If they haven't paid you, click never mind, okay? And then when you accept payment, it's going to turn their avatar to green, and they can get access inside after you do that. So very important you accept them right away, and just like your sponsor here will also accept you when you pay him, okay? Products, one of the best part of the business is products, okay? Let's talk about the levels. You have 3 levels of products. You have the bronze level, you have the gold level, and you have the platinum level, okay? So the first level is the bronze level. When you call this call center, okay, and register, they're going to email you a link with a temporary passcode. You will take that temporary passcode and log into the link. You will then pay your either $97 admin fee for bronze or $97 admin fee for gold level, or $197 admin fee. These are all one time for the platinum level, okay? Then you're going to pay your member to member of what the program is, okay? So bronze level, first of all, you got all these cool products here. Now they do open up into a lot of video trainings, okay? The bigger package series, the more products you have, and you have the product package before that, okay? So this is a $97 one-time admin fee for bronze level package, and you're going to just pay the member to member of the sponsor here, my business partner, just $200 if you join the bronze level package. Now, most people don't join bronze. If they have the money, they're going to do gold or platinum, and most people do the platinum level, okay? But don't let it stop you from joining. Make some money at any level, and you can roll up, okay? The next level of package is gold level, okay? You can see right here, again, a lot of different videos here. List building is one of my favorites, okay? And it goes on and on. This is a one-time admin fee of $97, okay? And a one-time member-to-member where you pay the member that's bringing you on board, and that is a $400 join, okay? And then you also get the bronze package by coming into the level of gold too, okay? And last but not least, you have the platinum level products. Look at all these products, okay? Okay, and I won't click them, but there's a lot of training in here. Now at the platinum level, you're also going to get the gold and the bronze level package, okay? Now it is a one-time $197 admin fee, and then a member-to-member join, you pay the sponsor brought you on board, $800. Now you can make $800 per every sale that comes in at this level if you're at that level. So in other words, you can only make the qualifying level of sale that you're currently at, okay? So if you're at the gold level, you can only make gold level sales and bronze level. If you're at the bronze level sale package, you can only make bronze level sales. But the platinum, you can make all 3 level sales, okay? Platinum, you can do bronze, gold, and platinum sales, okay? Pretty exciting stuff. And I'm going to say 8% of my business does the platinum level products, okay? So again, very nice opportunity. Member resources, okay? Remember I said we have autorespond letters that you can add. I'll click that in just a second. So we have highly converting postcards you can use, okay, to get calls to the call center, okay? These are the autoresponder letters. And click here, you're going to see all these different letters that you can set up in your autoresponder if you want to take control of the lead, whether Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp, okay? I always call it Chimp, but it's MailChimp. All right, so solo ads. Now I have bonus that you're going to see where you're going to get a very special discount. Okay, one of my colleagues, be working with him. with solo ads. Now these are great opportunities too. Jazzdeep does a really good job, but you're going to get a special discount for one of the bonuses, so stay tuned for that in just a minute. Okay. Also, trusted traffic. You got more traffic you can get here. Okay. Pretty cool. Member support. I'm not going to show this here because that's my sponsor, but you will be joining with one of my top business partners, and you'll see his information up here. You'll click and reach out to him, email, or any of his contact information. Member support email down here. You can click and email support, and you have a whole bunch of FAQs down here that any questions you might have, you can read those in the answers, okay? All right, so let's also now talk about the bonuses, okay? By joining today, you're gonna get a copy of Ad Tactics Pro, how I made over $1 million in sales in the day, okay, in newspapers, magazines, and tabloids, but I'm still out there making sales and other opportunities. We did test ads. We're gonna be back out there testing ads again in newspapers, okay? We've done gold, we've done all kinds of stuff, okay? All right, so the next thing you're gonna get is, of course, to join with a special solo ad company. Yay, special discounts, okay? Very cool opportunity. Lots of testimonials here, tier 1 traffic, okay? So that's gonna be joining with my buddy Paul, who's in Australia. It's got a great company, okay? Now he's also an insurance salesman, been doing that for years, family man, a couple little kids, but he broke in this business roughly a year ago, and really nice guy, real loyal, real trustworthy, okay? And then also you're gonna get a personal copy of my 60-minute flips, which is how I was able to take $13 and actually 30 cents and turn it into as much as $997. And sometimes I've had flips within 60 minutes or less, okay? Now that's not your average and typical, but I'm gonna tell you how to buy the right domains for cheap and how to flip them relatively fast. So even if you made less than that and you sold it in a couple days, wouldn't that be something? Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to click the link below in the video description, and that's going to take you to a short 7-minute video. Now, it's very important you watch the video all the way through. It's got some very important information, and make sure you do that before you call the 800 number, which is our call center at 1-800-232-2109. And again, you're going to be joining with one of my top business partners, Bob, and be using his sponsor ID number that you see below. And if you need to reach Bob, you're going to see his contact information below as well. Now make sure you watch the video, then call the 800 number, and you'll be so excited. I'm so glad you're working with us. We can't wait to see you. So make sure you do it right now, and we'll talk to you soon.